Laid Edge Control is a light edge controller that is used to smooth the edges of hair to make sure that any style is nice and neat. You can use it on any texture of hair. It can also be used as an aid in braiding hair to help you be able to grab the hair strands better. You can also use it with spiking. You want to make sure that you're not using too much. So as you see, I'm going to take just a little bit here on my fingertip. So I'm placing the product exactly where I want to have the hair smoothed back, and I'm putting it directly on the hairline. That way I'm not getting too much product in the hair itself and not overusing it. If we overuse product, then it's not going to hold as well. Once I put the product where I want it to go, then I'll take my brush and smooth the hair surrounding it back into the formation that I want it to be laid into. So as you can see, it gives us a nice smooth edge area without having it be too heavy, too greasy, or revert back. This is again 100% natural hair that has been soaked out, and you can see how nice and well it holds the hair and gives a beautiful shine without it being too much, too sticky, too tacky, or too hard on the hair itself.